Welcome to another exciting edition of Easy Maths Tutor, and today we're going to continue on our fractions series. And so this first question that we found in the WIEC, we're going to simplify it. And the question is as follows. And so first of all, we're going to break down the numerator into its factors, which will give us a minus 2 bracket and a plus 2 bracket close. If you expand this numerator, you will get a squared minus 4. And then we are going to factorize the denominator. So if we find factors that can multiply 6 to give us minus 6 and then add up to give us minus a, we will have minus 3a plus 2a minus 6. And so we're going to separate them into two brackets. First of all, we'll write the numerator again, a minus 2 bracket a plus 2, and then we'll draw our line. So we will have a bracket. If you divide a by a squared, you have a. If you divide 3a by a, you have 3. And the same for the other side, we bring out 2, giving us a minus 3. So if we write the numerator again, a minus 2, bracket a plus 2, then we'll draw our line, then the denominator will give us a plus 2 bracket and a minus 3. So with this, we'll strike off a plus 2 found in the numerator and in the denominator, leaving us with a minus 2 all over a minus 3. So if we go back to look in our options, we'll find that value on option E. Right, so that's our quick answer for that problem. And so I'm searching for more problems on algebraic fractions. I found one right here. All right, so we're simplifying m squared plus m all over m into bracket m plus 1 and bracket m plus 2. And so if we want to solve this right away, we'll write it down. So we're going to factorize the top part by bringing out m from the numerator. So write m, then open a bracket, giving us m plus 1. Closing the bracket to draw a line, we'll have m plus 1 bracket, m plus 2. And so we'll strike off the common factors in the numerator and the denominator, which will give us 1 all over m plus 2. So let's go right over to our options to find out if we got the correct answer. And then we can see that the correct answer is C. And so our next problem, we are asked to find the value of this expression given the value of x, y, and z. So if we substitute, we will have 2 bracket minus 3 square minus 2 square all over 2 minus 3 times minus 2 plus 2 square, which is x square, all over 2 times y, which is 2 times bracket minus 3, plus z, which is bracket minus 2. So if we open up, simplify the brackets, we have 2 times minus 3 squared gives us 9, minus 2 squared will give us 4. And then we'll draw a line, we have 2 times 3, 6 times 2, which is 12. And then the minus signs will cancel out, giving us a plus sign. 2 squared will give us 4 all over 2 times 3 minus 3, which is minus 6 minus 2. So going further to simplify, we will have 18 minus 4 all over 12 plus 4 all over minus 8. And so we cancel 4 giving us 1 over 2. Then we have 18 minus 4 will give us 14. So 14 over 12. 2 goes into 12 6 and 2 goes into 14 7 times, leaving us with a final answer of 7 over 6 plus minus 1 over 2. So if we find the LCM, we'll have 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1 times 7, minus 6 divided by 2, 3 times 1, 3. So giving us 4 over 6. So if we divide 2 in the numerator and the denominator, we will be left with the answer 2 over 3. So let's jump right to the options and see our answer. So the next and final problem is 3x squared plus 6x minus 2 all over bracket x plus 2, x minus 2. So in this problem, we're required to find the value of x for which this expression will be undefined. Now, for an expression to be undefined means that the denominator will be 0. So what value of x are we going to substitute in the denominator that would give us 0? So to make the denominator 0, what are we going to do? We're going to look for values of x. When x plus 2, that will give us 0. When x minus 4, that will give us 0. So for x plus 2, we all know that when x is minus 2, x plus 2 will be 0. Then when x is equal to 4, we know that x minus 4 will be equal to 0. Therefore, the values of x for which we'll have a 0 denominator is x minus equal to minus 2 or x equal to 4. And so that's the values of x for which this expression will be undefined. Now we've come to the end of this lesson. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Bye.